Okay, so we have the gasket maker with the new seal on the door, and it went on exceptionally well. It was very easy to do. And we are firing up the stove, the little wood stove. We did also clean the glass, and the only way to get the soot off the glass is to use ash with a little bit of water and gently rub the soot off. Dried it completely, let it dry, and now we're going to go ahead and do the first firing. You'll see here I ended the seam in the corner, and the trick to this is to not stretch the seal when you're putting it on. That's like a rookie mistake. I've made that mistake on other fireplaces on these efficiencies, and you just want to lay it in there and then seal it up, get a nice hot fire, and then that'll finish the gasket drying process. So the seal they had in here before was really wide, and this one is the right size to fit you got to measure the gunnel that it goes in to make sure that too big of a gasket, the sealant won't hold it in the cast iron. So the right size gasket is crucial to having a nice, efficient seal. Okay? Okay. Now some of you may be wondering, why am I using a field torch to start this wood? Well, we burned through almost a quart and a half of wood. I went through all of my seasoned wood. This is partially seasoned, but there's too much moisture in it. And I got a couple pallets of seasoned-ish wood that we've been trying to quickly dry with our solar kiln. But you got to get the fire bricks hot enough to burn off the moisture and have enough radiant heat to start this wood, because the moisture level is too high. So that's why we do that. It's crucial to have a very hot flame or enough heat in the chamber so you don't actually start a chimney fire as a result.